One administration in Ghana started a pulp plantation in the western region, in a place called Daboase, to be precise, to be used to produce paper. However, it was ignored by succeeding administrations. They put together about, if I remember, 10 or 20,000 acres of pulp plantation. This was ignored by succeeding administrations and ended up being used for firewood because the trees had overgrown the pulping stage, the stage at which you can use it for pulp. At the same time, we continue to import finished paper and cut it into typing sheets and tissue rolls as an import substituting industry. There is no way we can be competitive enough to export paper products if we do not start from the plantations. And the local price of paper products will go up every time there is a foreign exchange shortage and the currency depreciates.